sunglass. So I think this is gonna be another like casual set, less focused on the riding aspect. I also am noticing they're coming with these cute little like microfiber cloths, so you can keep them clean in your case. It's kind of a nice touch. Cool. So these have like kind of a neat marbling to them. Again, got some brass logoing. These are really nice. These are a little bit more my style. I like these. I like these. And the last set is the Freeways. Now these I know are one of the riding designed glasses. Again, you have a little bit thicker gasket now, so this one's going to be even better for riding. It's a clear lens, so it is 100% designed for motorcycle riding. That gasket's quite a bit thicker, quite a bit more snug to the face, and then you got some little feet there on the edge, which for us ladies is kind of a pain in the butt, but for the men it's nice because it does hold to your head a little tighter with these little rubber feet on the edge. Alright, I've got a couple more shirts here, and then open up these jackets. We've got a shirt, looks like we got a men's Marl tee. Nice and simplistic. Nice red, maroon, some gold, silver logoing. So spring, summer, keep in mind a little bit lighter in the coloration. Tried to stay away from the darker colors. We got a nice cream colored, kind of this dark gray logo. If you want something a little bolder, more my style, got this nice blocky Indian red one. Again, and this is kind of a nice textured shirt. And now we got another ladies top. I thought this one was really cute. It is a nice kind of flowy tank, but in the back here we have kind of an open little shoulder block and a little bit of a V-tail. So this is a really cute like dress top. This one's gonna be a ladies tank top. Ooh, we got more straps. Very strappy this year. And nice. So very, very pretty straps, just like that other strapped one. This is a true strap. However, there isn't the gap in between. So the ties are real, the little eyelets are silver, but the shirt is actually solid in between there. So you don't have to worry about any skin showing on this one. Last shirt here, 3/4 sleeve. These are some of my favorite. This is a ladies 3/4 sleeve. So it's the dark gray and the black, pretty simple logoing. It's just nice to have, not really a full sleeve, but still be able to have that baseball style sort of tee, especially on the kind of cooler rainy days that we'll see in the springtime. And new keychain, rubber. Rubber is great for the Scouts. Will not tear up your ignition. Rubber keychains, remember that. Continuing on, this is the new Springfield mesh jacket. So Indian has had what they've called the mesh jacket for quite some time. They've had it since pretty much inception. The Springfield mesh was one of the very first jackets. Now they've redesigned it. So if you currently own a Springfield, this is definitely going to be a different jacket than what you currently own. It looks like they've changed some of the paneling along the side here. They added a little bit more flexibility in the arm and in the sides. You have a zipper to kind of open up here, pockets, rubber badging. The rubber's kind of nice on here, opposed to just these straight up patches, because that's gonna hold up to the weather really well. All of this cream color here that you see looks to be pretty reflective. So that's also kind of a nice benefit, is you got a little bit of these reflective trim pieces. This is obviously the ladies version I'm holding. Nice liner, completely removable zip out liner. And it's got a little pocket so you can kind of roll the liner inside itself so you don't lose it. So as it gets hot here, I own a mesh jacket.
I own mesh and leather. I wear my mesh one way more than my leather one just because it's hot here in Arizona quite a bit more often, and it's just really relaxing, and if anything, it keeps you cooler in the summertime than when you're just trying to ride in a tank top or a t-shirt, because then you're getting direct sunlight on your skin, you're going to get sunburnt, and you're going to heat up and hold that heat. Let's take a look at some of the differences in the men's jacket here versus the ladies. Yes, if you live in Arizona and you do not have a mesh jacket, you are highly, highly missing out. Textiles are great, leathers are great. I will say they hold up to impact stronger, obviously, but even still, these mesh jackets are made with like a Kevlar component. So they are very durable. They still take damage really well. They're still going to protect you. I can feel that there's CE armor inside the elbows and inside the shoulders. And it did look like, yep, there's a pocket in the back that you can add a back protector if you're just really into having armor, if you know what it feels like to hit the ground. Armor's amazing. It'll save you big time. So again, the men's looks very similar to the ladies. Very, very open, less tapered, obviously, but still has kind of the cool little rubber badging, the little patches on the arms. I think they did a really solid job redesigning this jacket. I'm happy to see it back. It's a very popular jacket. Last but not least, we have the most important thing to open, which is new helmets. Indian has actually done a very impressive job with their helmet line. They are reasonably priced. The colors are always fantastic. The fit is really good. And ooh. Yes. Now this is what we're talking about. Red, white, and blue, checkered, white, retro style open face with just a trick red liner. This is awesome. Again, I have a full-size run of these. Indian makes a line of bubble shields that we clip onto these that look really, really cool. So you can do like a pink one, the mirrored aviator styled one, a tinted one, anything like that. Of course, comes with Indian helmet bag, about standard for all the Indian helmets, and a little beak you can clip on. So that's really, really cool helmet. So, also, side note, since we're getting all these new helmets, probably have some on sale here. So stop in if you've been eyeballing one that we've had in stock for a while. We may be having a discount on it. Ooh. Now, just like with anything, we have to have a dark version. This is a matte black with matte maroon and gray open face. Same kind of print is our white one there, but this is definitely speaking to our dark horse riders and to our bobber owners. This is pretty slick. The matte paint it's cool. It feels a little bit more durable than I've come across with other matte helmets. Sometimes, you know, as you touch them, you can kind of see the grease and the grime just stick to them immediately. This seems like it's a little bit more resistant. So that's cool. This is going to be a very durable helmet. I'm a big fan. This must be our new half helmet. Half helmets are wonderful, especially in the spring, summertime. Keeps your face open and your neck open. We got a nice Indian motorcycle, gray stripe down the back. We love stripes because we go fast. With drop down visor, eye protection, great. And of course this puffy stuff here, that all zips out for summertime. And then this back piece here can adjust, so if you keep a half helmet around for a guest or for backup riders, it's the way to go. That way you can adjust it to their head, make it a little snug. This is going to be the new full face. Ooh. We got matte black with a matte gray finished stripe in a retro style. This is really slick. We have a white version of this one that's a little bit more retro. It has like the stripes along the side. If you've never seen it, definitely come check that one out as well. But this one's just a little bit edgier than that. If you're familiar with like a Biltwell or a Bell, like the, I want to say it's the Bullet, this is structured and designed very, very similarly to that helmet. You've got a really nice, thick, padded forehead. That interior, we're seeing that just super pretty red padding, just like in those open faces, making it really, really nice. Yep, see, you even got the little bit of red on the inside of your chin strap. Looks pretty well vented. Has like a nice little locking retaining clip so you don't get wind in through the edges here. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I really appreciate you watching. If you have any questions on any of the stuff I showed you today, feel free to give me a call, shoot me an email, come on into the shop, and I'd be happy to size you up and have you try on some of this new gear we got.